Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. I'm coming at you today with another internet marketing review. Today's video, we're going to be going over the Affiliate Millionaire Club review. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And I'm also going to throw in some mindset tips and things about the subconscious mind. If those are things of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. Doesn't matter how late it is, I'm going to do it. And if you are returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about the Affiliate Millionaire Club review. And this is just a little bit about what you're going to do. There's 3 steps to it. The first one is to pick your niche. And the second one is they are going to set it up for you, your website, and they're going to manage your site. So there's just 3 simple steps that you have to follow to get your website up and running. The creator of this product, his name is Mo. You don't see him on the sales video. So not too much is known about Mo. The cost is $47 plus, of course, some upsells, which I'm not sure what those are. But the product is an automated website that claims to make you money instantly. So there's some red flags about this product. I've been in the internet marketing space for going on 10 years now. So I've seen a lot of products, I've done a lot of product reviews, and I can tell what products are legitimate and what products are a scam. And there's certain red flags. The first red flag would be that instant money, because that just doesn't happen. You don't make money instantly from an automated website. 5 minutes of work and you'll be making $1,000 days. That's another red flag, because really it takes work to build a business, and to be making that kind of money is not realistic. It's kind of similar to a recent product review I did, was the Amazon Kindle Sniper, and they said that right away you would be making thousands of dollars a day, and that's just not realistic, because ebooks, you can only make like 99 cents, and how many would you have to sell a day to make 1,000 right off the gate, right out of the bat? You know what I'm trying to say. It just doesn't happen. So to me, that's a red flag right there. Also, the one-page replicated website that they give you would be the same that everybody else has, so it's not going to rank in Google. Google does not like duplicate content. So that's something else that I didn't really think was good about this product. Also, they say that they give you a 60-day money-back guarantee, but from what I've read, no one has actually gotten their money back. So, and it's only $47, but still, if it's a legitimate product, they're going to give you your money back. Okay, and these are things that I found were just like lies, just flat out lies, because first of all, hyped up income claims. They said that in the 10 minutes while you're watching this video, your website is making $4,000 in 10 minutes. So right there, to me, that is not truthful. There are fake testimonials in this video. There are paid actors that you can find on Fiverr. A lot of these products like this, they will use the same content and then just rename the product. So they'll come out with another product, they'll use the same content, they'll use the same paid actors, they'll just rehash everything and sell it another way. There's fake income claims. I mean, you can tell that these people are not making this kind of money. They're not true. And then there's false scarcity, which is basically like there's only 8 websites left in your area, or 2. There's only 2, so you need to get it right now. So those are things that are just red flags to me that this is not a good product. It's just not a legitimate product. So my Affiliate Millionaire Club review verdict would be to save your money, but to learn the skill sets to build a long-term sustainable business. I have my master's in physical therapy, so I know the value of quality education and not trying to buy into the hype of push button software and trying to make a quick buck. Because if you're going to be somebody like myself that's working a full-time job but also building a business in order to go from a full-time employee to a full-time entrepreneur, the only way that you're going to do that is to look at the long term. Know that it's going to take time. Know that it's going to take learning certain skill sets and doing that the right way by having the right education. And so that's what I am doing online. I'm learning the skill sets and I'm not saying that in the past, when I first started, I didn't get pulled into a lot of these things and waste a lot of money, because I did. And the thing about these kind of products is you may learn a little bit here and a little bit there, and it's like you just don't know how to put the whole thing together. So I do a lot of product reviews. I've seen a lot of products in the internet marketing space, and I've found certain ones that will teach you all the skill sets and help you get out of overwhelm and just teach you step by step how to build a long-term sustainable business. And I have found one. It's my number one recommendation in the description below my video. And if you're interested in that, go ahead and click on that, and I'd love to help you out to be able to actually make money. I'm not saying overnight, but learn the skill sets that will allow you to go from a full-time employee to a full-time entrepreneur if that's what you want. I also have my link to my Facebook page below this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message me there, and also leave a comment below this video as far as like what you think you would like to learn in further videos. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help you. I subscribe to the philosophy, always go the extra mile. It's never crowded. And that's what I do. I have done in my job for 28 years. I always go the extra mile for my patients. And I would love to see you succeed, because I think that there's a place where you have a lot of doubt as far as, am I going to make it? And sometimes you just need somebody to believe in you before you believe in yourself. I have somebody who I've hired as a coach, and you just sometimes need that person to say, give you that encouragement that you can do it, because I do believe everybody can do it if they have the right mindset. That's number one. And you have the right system that teaches you step by step how to do it. So again, if you're interested in learning, go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video. And if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about the affiliate marketing and how to make money from home. And that's it for this Affiliate Marketing Club review. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.